I spoke to a doctor last week and what he told me shocked me. He makes over $400,000 a year, but he said, Gio, I feel stuck. No time, high taxes, no real plan. On paper, he looks successful, but behind the scenes, he's just running faster every year. We sat down and looked at his situation. No passive income, no real estate, everything tied to his work. That's when it hit him. He didn't need more income, he needed a system. If you feel like you are running but not getting ahead, message me. Let's build your system.